Counseling Children. My dad has a channel called Rising Space Star 77, but make sure to put a space after rising. I just want to say my dad has really good videos and very good content, like food, songs, and politics. But make sure to like, subscribe, and share. Bye, guys!
Oh, it's a little dishy delicious. Hi everyone. Hope you guys doing great. Today I feel like singing what a beautiful track from Stevie Wonder. The track is called "I Just Called to Say I Love You." It's a beautiful track, and hope you all like it. No New Year's Day to celebrate, no chocolate covered candy has to give away, no first of spring, no song to sing. In fact, here's just another ordinary day. No April rain, no flowers bloom, no wedding Saturday within the month of June. But what it is, something true, made up of these three words that I must say to you. I just got to say I love you. I just got to say how much I care. I just got to say I love you, and I mean it from the bottom of my heart. No summer sun, no warm July, no harvest moon to light them tender August night, no autumn breeze, no falling leaves, not even time for birds to fly to southern sky, no liberal sun, no Halloween, no giving thanks to all the Christmas joy you bring. But what it is, though also new, to fill your hearts like no earthly words that could ever do. I just got to say I love you. I just got to say how much I care. I just got to say I love you, and I mean it from the bottom of my heart. I just got to say I love you. I just got to say how much I care do. I just got to say I love you.